In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a membership product in Odoo. We'll start by opening your Odoo website and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page that shows the available Odoo applications. From there, scroll down until you reach the Sales section. In that area, click CRM and then select CRM again to enter the CRM application itself. Once you're inside CRM, open the configuration menu, then click Settings. On the Settings page, use the left-hand menu and click CRM. Here, look for the option called Membership, Partnership and enable it. This is an important part of the setup because in Odoo 19, the older standalone membership app has been replaced by the Membership Partnership module. So if you're following along in a newer version, this is the correct way to activate membership functionality. After that, return to the Apps page and open the Sales app. Inside Sales, go to Products, then Products again to open your product list. This is where you'll create the item that represents the membership you want to sell. Click New to create a new product. In the product name field, enter the name of your membership. For example, you could use something like Premium Membership. Choose a name that will be clear both for your team and for customers who may see it on quotations or sales orders. Next, set the product type to Service. This is important because a membership is not a physical item that needs inventory tracking or shipping. It functions as a service-based product within Odoo. Make sure the Sales option is enabled for the product so it can be sold properly through the Sales app. Then, in the Sales Price field, enter the amount customers will pay for the membership. This price should reflect your membership offering and will be used when the product is added to sales documents. Continue by configuring the remaining product information required for selling the membership. Depending on your setup, this may include the standard product details needed in your sales workflow. The key idea here is that the membership with the partnership module works together with the Sales app, allowing memberships to be sold through sales orders in a straightforward way. Before finishing, take a moment to review the main fields you entered. Check the product name, confirm that the product type is set to Service, make sure Sales is enabled, and verify that the sales price is correct. A quick review now can help prevent mistakes later. At this point, your membership product is configured in Odoo and ready to be used for selling memberships. Thanks for watching.